She grew up just like you and me, playing merrily with nothing to lose. Sometimes she cried and sometimes she laughed. Just like everybody, she grew up with time. One day she began to change her mind. Oh, she realized the time isn't right. Of you and me to keep dancing round, 'cause the noise of gunfire is way too loud. Could you share your place to hide? Am I asking a little too much? Once in a while, take time to see the pain she lives. Once in a while, take time to stop the feeling you do. For this hunger start to real healing. Story of a lady with a hungry heart who stood up against the mighty empire. To get our things right, she fights with all her might, trying to save us from the fights of the might. In a place where you can say you live or die in a blink of an eye. So close your eyes and take a breath and think what you should
So
do.
this year I see like all the bands coming up from Mumbai and everywhere. It was really amazing, honestly. And the momos are always the good ones.
Grown, like we have actually grown up with more festival, and then since the first year itself, this has been a huge jump in terms of footfall. Also, I've seen for other outlets also they've done pretty good, and even the footfall has also increased like compared to last year.
Me most about this festival is, you know, in a city like Guwahati, VAS Inc., of course, who's organizing this festival, is doing it all by themselves. These guys have been working tirelessly, and for them, this is their baby, you know, this is their festival.